This video shows a heat exchanger that sits under the floor of a shower stall. It saves energy by preheating the water that is coming to the shower. Water pressure powers a rotary sweep, much like an oscillating lawn sprinkler. The large round cover can be removed without tools. The rotary sweep sits on top of a turbine. The drive gear for the rotary sweep has magnets. Those magnets couple with magnets on an impeller, which is inside the turbine, and the impeller is driven by cold water. The heat exchanger sits inside a pan that funnels the water down the drain. The outer ring of slots allow the draining water to fall onto the coil. Here is how it would be installed in new construction. The heat exchanger takes the place of a standard 5-inch floor drain. It is seated above the drain piping. Cold water is diverted to the heat exchanger for preheating and then to the mixing valve. Next, a cement floor is added that tapers down to the edge of the heat exchanger. A waterproof membrane sits on top of the cement. Then a trim ring is added so the floor tile can be flush. Floor tile covers the area between the walls and the trim ring, and then the walls are tiled. If the shower stall is a standard size, a manufactured shower base can be used. Construction is simplified. The base is attached to the drain piping. The water connections are the same. Then the walls are added. There is no cement floor, trim ring, membrane, or floor tile. The heat exchanger is automatic in that it always recovers half of the heat. The video shows full-scale models made out of plastic. The heating tube is 70 foot long. The rotary sweep is powered by the flowing water in the heating tube. The next step is to remake the heating tube with copper tubing and to measure the heat transfer. If tests confirm the calculations, the heat exchanger will pay for itself in 2 years.